Yo, what's up? This is B from Bvlogs. I just want to introduce you to Biggs, the myth, the legend of the VIPs here on the island of Maui in Hawaii. And as you can see, he has a beautiful car here. And I just want to introduce you to Biggs, and he can just tell you a little about his car.
So everybody, kind of shy to this. My name is Biggs. It's my 2002 Lexus LS430. Got it 4 months ago, and this is the outcome. And I guess it paid off with the Best VIP Award today at Endless Summer Cruise.
Yeah.
Go ahead, check it out.
This guy has been in the scene for years, and he's always been the top dog when it came to the VIP class. And not only that, now he has a beautiful car, as you can see right next to it here too, a little Hachi 86 Toyota Hachi right here. It's another beautiful car, and as you can see, he does quality work, and he's one of the top guys here on Maui. And as you can see, he has beautiful cars. But yeah, check out his rides, and thank you for watching. And
Thanks everybody.
Yeah, for sure. And then check Biggs out on his IG. And what is your IG?
Biggs86.
Biggs86. Go and check him out and follow him. All right.
Best sports combat goes out to Brandon Harima.
Woo! Yo, what's up? This is B from Bvlogs. I just wanted to let you guys know we're at the Endless Summer Cruise 2018, and we have Ernie Nyberg from Revolutions Unlimited. He's actually a really good friend of mine. He's actually the one that actually built my car, the one that you see here. And yeah, we're just gonna do a little interview, and let me introduce you to Ernie Nyberg. Here you go.
What's up, guys? How's it going? Let me tell you a little bit about myself. Ernie Nyberg, Revolutions Unlimited. And I built this awesome machine here along with Brandon Harima. As you can see, it's a 99 Honda Civic hatchback, and it's fully built with full internals, pistons, rods, valves, valve springs, retainers, cams. We got a precision ball bearing turbo, speed factory top mount, intercooler, tucked radiator, catch can, all vibrant V-band flanges. All the fabrication work was done by myself, from the hood exit to the charge piping. And yeah, and it's a great car, and we've been lucky so far to win both of the shows that we've entered, and here we are.
And as you can see here, we just won Best Sports Combat here at Endless Summer Cruise 2018. That's the first time for sure, and as you can see on the quality work, it sure does pay off with all the hard work that Ernie put into the car. I just had the vision, and Ernie was the one that put it all together for me. But yeah, I just really appreciate everything that he did with the car. And as you can see, it's quality work. And don't forget to check him out on his IG, Revolutions Unlimited. Revolutions with a Z at the end. And go and check him out. Check out all his nice work that he has advertised up on his IG. And hit him up for any type of fabrication work, motor work, paint work, body work, anything you can think of, he can do. And obviously seeing what my car looks like and all the work that he put into it, he can pretty much do anything. But yeah, we're just enjoying ourselves here at the end of summer cruise. It's towards the end of the day already. We're kind of just wrapping up, but we just kind of just want to do this quick interview with Ernie and just give you a little insight on Ernie and what he does, and of course doing a little feature on the car and a little description of what it went through to put my car together.
Awesome. Thank you, Brandon. And thank you for letting me be a part of such an awesome build, man.
Yep.
I appreciate it. Thanks, guys. Stay tuned. More vlogs. Brandon
All
Harima. Gee, EK Street Beast. Revolutions Unlimited. Check us out.
And don't forget to click the link and description on the bottom, the Bvlog Hawaii, and don't forget to subscribe and like. And thank you very much for always watching Bvlogs, and look for more content. And I'll see you guys soon. Ahoy ho! Thank you.
Gee, aloha. That's my passion. I work years to be able to get to the point where I can do something like this, build a car that win shows, and it's something that somebody always dreams about. It's pretty fun.
Medyo late lang doon.